In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install an IDE called CLion in Ubuntu, where IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Writing the code with an IDE just makes everything so much easier. This is especially true for writing the Rust program. Step 1. Let's open the terminal. Before installing any new applications, we always need to run some commands. The first one is about to download package information from all configured sources. It is sudo apt-get update. Now enter your password. Next, we're gonna install the build essential packages. It is a reference for all packages need to compile a Debian package. In other words, this enables the G++ compilers and the libraries, which means it can compile the C++ code that we wrote. Type the command sudo apt get install followed by build -essential and hit enter. We need one more command, that is sudo apt install G++. Enter. Okay, all have been completed. Next step, open the browser, search the keyword CLion. So here, type CLion, enter. The first result from the jetbrains.com is the website that provides the download link for CLion. It's a cross-platform IDE for both C and C++. The company that made this application is JetBrains. You can close this pop-up window. Click on this button, which is Get 30-day free trial. It redirects to the downloading page. Wait a little bit, and then we are ready to download it. Click Save option and then click OK to download it. If you click this icon, it displays the downloading progress. The file is quite large, it's about 530 megabytes, which takes a few minutes to download. Now this file has been downloaded. Click this icon to open the Downloads folder directory. The file is here inside the Downloads folder. Move the cursor above the file and right-click on it. Select Extract Here option. This takes a few seconds to finish. Now all file has been extracted. However, I want to keep my files and folders organized. I don't want to put this package here inside the Downloads folder. I want to put this program inside the OPT folder. How about let's find that folder first. Hold down the Control key on the keyboard and then hit the M button. Now we have a new window and move it there, computer, and the OPT folder. I want to put this folder over here. I cannot simply drag and drop that folder here. I also cannot create a new folder inside this OPT folder. So this is how I do it. Open the terminal. Type clear command just to clear the screen. And then move it to that directory, which is cd/opt, this directory. I use the list command, and as shown here, it contains the same folders as shown in the window. Now use command to create a new folder. Type sudo make directory. It is called CLion. This CLion folder has been created. Now it's time to move the other extracted folder and its files inside the CLion folder. Use cd command, cd, downloads folder, use list command. Here is the name of that folder. We want to move this directory. There. I use sudo move C L and then simply hit the tab key on the keyboard. The rest of the name is auto-filled. We want to move it to OPT's CLions folder. Hit the enter. There we go. That folder is here now. Next, open the bin folder. If I minimize this window, as you can see, the previous folder is not here anymore, and you can delete the tar file. I right-click on it, choose move it to the trash can. There we go. We don't need this window anymore, so you can close it. Also can close the browser. Now we need the terminal. We actually need a terminal at this location. This is the file that we are interested. We can right-click on this window, select Open Terminal. The terminal is opened based on this location. Type /CLion.sh to open this CLion application. Just click Confirm, Continue. No need to send. There are two different themes. I prefer to use this one, especially for the night coders who do programming in the evening. It does not hurt the eyes that much. Use the default plugins. There are 3 options. For now, I just use the default settings. You can also install these features as you wish, and click Start using CLion. There we go. For now, we just use the free edition. Click on the Evaluate for Free button. Click Start using CLion button. We can create a new project. Here, simply click Create. There we go. This is the main window of CLion. You can close this window. As shown here, the project comes with the Hello World code. You can simply compile and run this code by clicking on that play button. There we go. Here is the Hello World message. How about now, let's close this application I'm going to show you a very useful feature. Exit. Next, we are going to create a symbolic link called symlink for CLion. This way, each time we don't have to go to OPT folder to open CLion. First, I type cd followed by the tilde symbol. Go back to the home directory. Remember, this is the location contains the CLion files, especially that CLion.sh file. This is the command sudo link command. We are going to create a symbolic link. Use option S, enter the location, OPT, CLion, and that is CLion 2020.2.4. CLion 2020.2.4 is bin folder. Inside this folder, the file is called CLion.sh. This is the location of the CLion.sh file. We can consider is the executable file under Ubuntu, followed by a space. We want to add it to the user's local bin folder. So type user usr / local, and in the bin directory, the name of the file is called CLion.sh. Hit enter. Enter the password. There we go. No error messages. We have created a symbolic link for this CLion.sh. We can open the CLion IDE at any location using the terminal by entering this CLion.sh command. For example, I type CLion.sh. As you can see, CLion IDE is opening. This way, we don't have to open the bin folder inside the OPT CLion folders to open CLion IDE. Here concludes this tutorial.